guys, welcome back to another clean with me. In today's video, I am just doing a quick tidy up of the entire house. This took me about an hour, but my house was not too bad, but it was just, it just needed to be tidied up. So we are starting out in my son's room. As you can tell, there's just toys everywhere. So I'm making them help me clean up, and then I'm going to run through it with the Dyson really quick. So I had left the room to go get the Dyson, and I left this footage in because I just thought it was funny, Liam moving the camera around the room and just making funny faces. So I kept this in because I thought it would be some good entertainment. And when I came back, they had already destroyed the bedroom again. Mom life. So next we are moving on to my daughter's room. I really try to keep this picked up because if anybody comes over and they use the bathroom, they can see right into her room. So I just really needed to go through the floors with the vacuum and put things back in their place. My hallway is one of the places that gets neglected the most, and for some reason it attracts the most dirt. So I'm just using my Dyson to run through it really quickly and just pick up all the small little pieces of dirt. I don't know about you guys, but I had such high expectations for this Dyson, and it does not pick up even the slightest big piece. I usually have to go back through if I'm really doing a good clean and go back through with a mop or with a broom. So anyways, that's what I'm doing in my kitchen. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a quick sweep. We had painted our kitchen this weekend and I just hadn't gotten around to it yet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a really quick sweep of the kitchen.
baby, don't ever talk about the things that are everlasting. Oh, baby, we won't ever last. Hope that we're in that movie when you teach me how to dance. And I'm just a young and foolish, begs for a second chance. I'm doing clumsy pirouettes in your bedroom light, praying you will ask me to come stay the night. Baby, we're so cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. When you go, I can't make you stay. So we live for the night and we fade in the rhythm. So cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. And when you go, I can't make you stay. So we fade in the rhythm. So we fade in the rhythm.
So as you can see, my countertops have white stuff all over them. It's just sheetrock and extra paint that we had to pry off the walls. But I'm just cleaning the countertops off, and then I'm going to use my Dyson to pick up all the little pieces, and then I will wipe it off and prepare to wash the dishes.
Don't you know I waited such a long time? Can't you see I wanted it to be us now? Darling, if you knew how this would turn out, we let the stars shine bright. Yeah, I've been waiting too long for ya. I don't wanna love ya if you don't love me back.
So as if the dishwasher being broken wasn't bad enough, my left side of my sink is now leaking. So we have water down under the sink. So I'm actually only able to use the right side of the sink. So I am just washing really quick, and then I will rinse after most of the dishes are washed. You'll see me do it here in just a second.
To just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little.
If you look really closely, you can see a sneak peek of our backsplash. Just stay tuned for that video and I will show you a full kitchen tour as soon as everything is complete.
Shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chain up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the waves, we go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. And face that shit another day. We go bottoms up.
So now I'm just going to move on to this side of the counters and then I'm going to go ahead and do a quick wipe down and then we'll move on to the living room.
Hurting in my soul, shaking through my core, left me in the cold. Chained to what I know, drifter on the road, take it where I go. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into myself, away from things I let go.
So same with everywhere in the house. I'm just doing a quick sweep with the Dyson. If I wanted to do a really good sweep, I would go through and use an actual broom. But honestly, I just wasn't feeling it this day. My house needed to get cleaned, but I did not want to do it. So I'm really just doing the bare minimum. I know that I'm not the only one in the world that feels that way. So I wanted to go ahead and put up this video and show you guys that you don't have to do a deep clean every single day. It's really not necessary. And honestly, nobody is going to notice but you. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, please subscribe. Other than that, I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.